Welcome to Windows HyperGuide. When you start HyperGuide, the first thing you see is the HyperGuide Contents screen with 5 folders on it. When you move the arrow pointer over a folder, the arrow changes to a hand, indicating that this is something you can click on in HyperGuide. To open one of the folders, you simply click it once. Each folder contains a number of buttons for opening different HyperGuide modules. Each module explains a different part of Windows. For instance, if you wanted to learn more about the Windows Paintbrush application, you'd choose the Paintbrush module. In most modules, the first screen you see is called a Quick Look screen, like this one. You can click anywhere on the picture in a Quick Look screen to pop up information about the features illustrated in the picture. To close a pop-up window, you just click on any blank part of the screen. You can also display command summaries by clicking first on a menu name and then on a command. Many Quick Look screens also offer short introductory feature films, like the one that you are watching now. When you click the More Info button, a screen appears that offers several folders containing in-depth information about the application. The topics about each application are organized by categories, including background reading, procedures, and useful key combinations. To view specific topics, you first choose a category and then choose a topic folder. By clicking the different topic folders, you can quickly see what kinds of information are available. The topic titles are blue, with small triangles next to them indicating that you can jump straight to the topics by clicking the titles. Once you've opened a topic, you can click the Next Page button to move through all the topics in the same folder. Within topics, you will sometimes see blue text next to illustrations. By clicking the blue text, you can pop up additional information about the illustration. In this case, an explanation of the Paintbrush toolbox. In the same way, when you see a blue word in a topic, you can click it to pop up a definition of the word. But remember, when you click a blue phrase with a triangle next to it, HyperGuide will take you to a new topic. Sometimes you'll notice small blue icons in topics. By clicking these, you can pop up hints and examples that further explain or illustrate what's said in the main text. Most topics also include See Also folders. These offer lists of topics related to the one you are reading. You can always return to topics viewed previously simply by clicking the Back button. Or, if you prefer, the History button offers a list of the last 40 topics you've viewed since starting your HyperGuide session. One of the most powerful features of HyperGuide is the way it searches for any word or phrase you indicate. You can tell HyperGuide to search the current module, all the modules in HyperGuide, or just the modules that you specify. So, if you wanted to learn how to cut out a paintbrush picture and paste it into a Write document, you might search in the Clipboard Viewer module, the Paintbrush module, and the Write module. Once you've typed in the word or phrase you want to search for, you just click the Search button. And HyperGuide displays a list of all the topics where that word or phrase appears. Then you double-click the topic title to jump to the topic. The search results window remains open so that you can choose other topics until you find the one that is most helpful to you. The 3 buttons at the lower left are particularly important for getting around in HyperGuide. They make it easy to move quickly from any topic to another level in HyperGuide. You can click the More Info button to see the contents screen for the current module, or the Quick Look button to see the Quick Look screen for the module, or the HyperGuide button to see the main HyperGuide contents screen. The Options button at the far right offers a number of useful commands. Among other things, you can print a topic, add your own notes to a topic, mark a topic with a bookmark for future reference, or exit HyperGuide. To close this feature film and begin using HyperGuide, please click the Close button.